Good morning and Jai Hind. I am Harsh Kumar from class 10th and I have prepared a working model of trigonometric ratios. From this model, we can find out the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta of the values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. If we wanna find out the value of cosec 90 degree, then we will just rotate. We can see that the value of cosec 90 degree is 1, which is really true. Then if you wanna find out another value, so we can find out the value of tan 60 degree. So we will rotate this towards 60 degree. So here we can see the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. We take one more example. For example, we want to find out the value of cos 30 degree. Then we will just rotate it towards 30 degree. So here we can see that the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So this model is like this. So thank you everyone. This is all from my side. Thank you and Jai Hind.